Hey guys, how's it going? My name's Guy Kleinhaus from South Africa, Cape Town. We're here in Morocco for the Wella Destinations event. This is my model, Sarah. I'm going to chat to you a little bit about how to create disconnection and texture without using thinning scissors and just using your shears. So what I've done here, I've taken out a panel and disconnected this underneath area, keeping it soft and maintaining length through the perimeter of the haircut. Only using shears, just creating this shape, flattening this out at the nape so it just hugs the neck. Also creating a little bit of a flick. This part just sits on top of that and covers it. So you still have that length, but you're not disrupting it or breaking the hair with texturizing scissors. So it's all very clean, just slightly point cutted at the end. And I finished it off with a little bit of sugar lift, which I sprayed on dry hair, blow dried it through just to give it a little bit of this like matte texture. And obviously after that, just finish it with some Stay Style essence, just for a little bit of hold. And that way I can really get a little bit of flickiness into it and really just do what I want to do. Thank you. You can follow me at Guy Does Hair. Thank you very much.